ESP32 digital inputs and digital output. To start the program, to open the Arduino IDE. And I have here my program. The materials we are needed are ESP32, 5mm LED, 330 ohm resistor, push button, 10K ohm resistor, breadboard, jumper wires. You should select your ESP32 board model and the COM port. In my program, I use Duet ESP32 Dev Kit B1 board and a COM port of COM3. After selecting the board model and the port, you just need to click the upload button, and after a few seconds, the upload should be complete. After a few seconds, you can see the message at the bottom of the program. You see that the program is uploaded completely. You can click on the serial monitor icon to open the serial monitor tab. The ESP32 on the board LED should be blinking every second. This is a quick guide that shows how to prepare Arduino IDE 2.0 for the ESP32 board on the Windows PC. Remember that Arduino IDE 2.0 is an experimental software, so it might have some bugs and some features that might be fully functional. If the value is 0, it means that the button is not pressed. And when the value is 1, it means the button is pressed. This is the overall output. ESP32 PWM, pulse width modulation, analog output, dimming with LED. Materials: ESP32 Duet Dev Kit B1 board, 1 times 5mm LED, 1 times 330 ohm resistor, breadboard, jumper wires. Verifying the program. This program shows how to generate PWM signals with the ESP32 using Arduino IDE. Well, it also shows us how to get the same PWM signal on different GPIOs at the same time. Click upload and wait a few seconds. About this laboratory, the ESP32 has a LED PWM controller with 16 independent channels that can be configured to generate PWM signals with different properties. The program is uploaded completely. Go to Serial Monitor. This is the final output. The light is on at 15 seconds and turned off at 1 second. Getting the same signal on different GPIOs. Materials: ESP32 Duet Dev Kit B1 board, 3x5mm LED, 3x330 ohm resistor, breadboard, jumper wires. Upload the program and wait a few seconds. Upload complete. Go to Serial Monitor. Final output. ESP32 ADC. Read analog values from the potentiometer. This laboratory shows to read analog inputs with the ESP32 using Arduino IDE. Analog reading is useful to read values from variable resistors like potentiometers or analog sensors. Reading analog inputs with the ESP32 is easy as using the analog read GPIO function that accepts as argument the GPIO you want to read. Materials: potentiometer, breadboard, jumper wires. Verifying the program. Upload the program and wait a few seconds. Upload complete and go to serial monitor. After uploading the code and pressing the ESP32 reset button, open the serial monitor and a bound rate of 11.5200. Rotate the potentiometer and see the values changing. ESP32 with PIR motion sensor using interrupts and timers. Upload the program and wait a few seconds. Upload completely and go to serial monitor. This laboratory shows how to detect motion with the ESP32 using a PIR motion sensor. When motion is detected or interrupt is triggered, the ESP32 starts a timer and turns an LED on for a predefined number of seconds. When the timer finishes counting down, the LED is automatically turned off. The hand is detected. That's why there is a printed or a message in the bottom of the program that motion detected. Thank you for watching.